Nobody warns you about this part of recovery, where you actually have to recover. It's not just about the body, it's how you get the body. Because the surgeon can only suck out the fat and put it where you want it. But to mold your body, to shape your body, to heal your body, you need this recovery. First things first, you have this beautiful bag. It's travel friendly and fits everything that you need right inside. We have this cold and hot pressure band. This is going to help you with all the sensations after surgery, and it's going to ease that recovery. You have this beautiful gray plush robe. It's so comfortable, silky, soft, and it's going to be the perfect go-to when you don't want to put on clothes. You have the bed protection pads. You're going to be leaking bodily fluids everywhere, so make sure you protect your mattress, whether you're staying in an Airbnb, recovery home, or your personal home. Compression socks. Everybody needs compression socks after surgery. This is going to help control that blood flow, the swelling, and it's going to prevent blood clots also, so make sure you have your compression socks. This is a female urinal. You don't have to take your faja off to go to the bathroom, especially when it's as simple as going pee. So you're going to place this right underneath where you unzip your faja and handle your business. You have inflatable pillows, which means you can take your pillows everywhere, and they're super compact and you can put them right inside the bag. The foams are going to protect your skin directly underneath your faja. This is going to help prevent faja burns, and it's going to give you a little extra cushion and support. This is going to be your backboard. This is going to help reduce that fluid inflammation on the bottom of your back. It's going to help keep that beautiful silhouette. This abdominal board is going to go either directly on top of the foams or your skin, and it's going to help reduce swelling, fluid retention, and keep that belly flat. We have a back scratcher, and it's extendable, so you can reach all those hard to reach areas when you're super itchy during that recovery. It's the most comfortable underwear on earth, and they're disposable, so you can just get rid of them when you're done using them. Silicone scar sheet. This is going to help that scar heal beautifully, and it's going to protect it too. Female towelettes. We all know you cannot shower right after surgery, but you want to keep yourself clean. So we give you the convenience of giving you some towelettes to help do that. Silicone scar tape. This is super important. You don't want to pop a stitch. You don't want to catch an infection. You want to make sure that incision stays closed. You got a water bottle for hydration. There's no excuses. We give one to you. And some more wipies. Especially as a female, you can never have too many wipes. You have this beautiful mesh laundry bag, so faja right in here, wash it, super safe and super protective. And last but not least, you have this beautiful step-by-step manual that's going to give you instructions on how to take care of yourself during that recovery, and it's going to give you some little motivation while you're at it. You invested in your body, so now it's time to invest in the recovery.